Dropshipping is easy, you are thinking it's not like that. And most e-com gurus will tell you it's very very easy. If you buy the courses, if you follow my strategy, you will be millionaire. Just copy me. My friend, this is not like that. 99% dropshipper will fail in 2026. And if you do the same mistakes that in the after this 5 minutes I will tell you what mistakes, if you do the same things, then you will be also the part of 99% peoples. So in this video I will tell you exactly what you need to do. So if you want to be 1% people in the success percent, then you just see this full video. Okay, let's be honest, most dropshippers will follow the traditional dropshipping systems, because in 2020, in 2021, the last 3-4 years, the dropshipping was very very easy, and they are doing the very traditional dropshipping systems. So what is traditional? So simply they will buy or a dropshipping tools, paid tools, then they will use these products, or they will go to Instagram or TikTok, then they will find trending products and they will run ads. Okay, these systems was worked in 2020, 2021, but right now it's 2026. Please forget this method. If you're thinking that I will do the same things, then your money, your time, your everything will be wasted. Okay, so and then the second mistake is no marketing strategy. So my first mistake was the product selection. Okay, so its solution is you have to very very expert in the niche selection, and within this niche you have to always test the product or add product within this niche only. If you sell or if you are passionate about pet niche, then in this pet niche just list the pet niche and start marketing. Okay, but don't change product, that I will always change viral product if I not a good product. This method is 90% wasted time. Okay, it's not working right now. So what is the solution? You have to build a brand. If any niche, no problem, just you will see that last 5 years this brand is what is the graph, it's up growing, then it's a good niche and you will select this niche. Okay, by this niche selection your marketing will be more easier, your product selection will be more easier. So where you will run ads or you will advertise, then this advertising platform like Facebook or Google, they will find your target audience, and the algorithm is now very very hard. Okay, and they are very very they're very powerful than the human. Okay, they know that this store selling niche stores, niche products, so for these stores we have the right audience, then they will connect to your stores the audience. Okay, but if you always change the products, viral products, the algorithm will be confused and your money will be wasted. Then next mistakes is ignoring AI and trends. Okay, so for example, in the world 100 dropshippers and everyone's doing the e-commerce AI, they are using AI, but you are doing the traditional old model dropshipping, and if they can make outcome within 5 minutes and you are taking 1 hour, so who will be the faster, who will win this race? So yes, the AI dropshippers. Okay, so in 2020 we will run ads by analog systems. We will make ad copy by very researching copy paste grammarly mistakes checkings, but right now ChatGPT, Gemini, every AI can give you the ad copy within seconds, and they can also make the good ad creatives video, the product photos, very very UGC related. So you have to be master in AI. Okay, and if you don't expert or if you cannot use AI, then my friend, please don't come to this game. First be expert in AI, and the next step is the lack of credibility and the authenticity. So what does it mean? So in 3 years or 4 years ago, we just built a general store or normal store. Like if your product is good, any stores that can make good sales, just customer will come to the stores, they will buy. But right now customers are very very clever. Okay, they will come to your store, they will see every sections, what's the reviews, what's the testimonials, what's the social proof, what the people, I mean other customers saying, so everything. So it calls the high converting product page. So if you cannot do, then you will lose customers. So this is the very important things, that you have a good product, you have good marketing, then in this next step is you have to build a very very brand store. So, okay, so how you can build a brand store? So first of all you have to build a brand, or you can see your competitor if they are selling good, and then you have to make a better store than this. Okay, so that's it. So my friend, let's sum up. You have to be expert in AI, you have to be expert in finding winning product or finding a winning niche, and within this niche just release the products. And also you have to expert in SEO, because the paid dropshipping or meta advertising, Google advertising is very, very expensive. So you have to be expert in SEO. And if you need help, just comment below any types of help, I can help you. Create high value content, but like UGC content, original content, just buy the product, make the video. Okay, because customers is now very very strictful, and they know this is an AI relevant dropshipping video, so they just ignore this. So you have to, if you can make the real original product video, then it's the best. And the last thing, that just build a brand store. Okay, just research or contact me, I will help you to build a brand store. So that's it, my friends. So if you follow these systems, I can promise you in 2026 you will be never fail in dropshipping. You will be a top 1% successful dropshipper. And please don't believe the ecom gurus in the YouTube. They will show you, they are showing million dollars, they buy Lamborghini, they buy big house, and but they don't will tell you the hard truth, the background of the back end. They don't tell you, because they come in this place by doing very struggle. And 5 years, 6 years, even 10 years, I see some dropshippers doing hard work, and right now today they are sleeping, and the money they are taking on the pocket. Okay, just this is okay. Thank you. Then please subscribe. If you need any help on dropshipping related, just contact me, I will help you.